we've been going through some tough times in last 2 games namin ng pagkatalo. We had 8 guys injured. Akil was injured, DJ was injured, and 6 of our locals. Yung locals na yun, yung anim na yun, they get minutes, right? But this break was a little bit good because we were able to have some days off. And then, like Akil said, he's normally used to playing, and the problem with him, he had a broken nose, so nagtagal siya. And then when we got to play those last 3 games, he probably had like 1 day practices each. So it's nice to get him a rhythm. I think it's big that we have guys back, you know, just to get their feet wet. CJ played, you know, CB played, Brandon played, Raymond played. They're going to be crucial coming in. We play a lot of guys, so kumpiyansa kami na the next 4 games, we can use them sa rotation namin.
Coach, yung limited Eastern to only 3 points, I think this is your best defensive game in terms of conceding 2 points. So was there an effort to really limit Eastern sa scoring?
They're well coached. They have talent over there. Tatlong yun naglaro sa Bay Area, which reached the finals. But you know, if you take a page of looking at other teams, Rainier Shine played them very well. You know, Sanayang Rainier Shine sa zoom action that they run. You're not playing dirty, but you're playing physical and showing toughness. I thought our guys were tough today, like chasing off screens. You know, bigs having to stay high and execute their piano defense and having to move back and defend. Getting opportunities where they had 7 offensive rebounds the first quarter, and they're bigger and smaller than some of those guys. Tapos get 10 and then battling through that. So this type of games we live for kasi it shows our character, right? Pag natatalo ka ng 2 games, it's so easy to pinpoint, finger push. I thought they were great. Wong played good defense. You know, yet lately, Black he's pretty solid. Wong held his own. It's toughness, and we have tough guys on the round. Akil, so I think to beat Eastern, we had to match their toughness.